Hello learners. In the previous video we learnt about error handling. In this video, we will deep dive into the concept of JavaScript modules. So, watch this video till the end. I would request you to please subscribe to this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's get started. First, let's understand what is JavaScript modules. A module in JavaScript is like a separate file that contains some code, like a function, variable, class, etc., that can be reused in other files. We use export and import keywords to deal with modules. Export shares something from a file and import brings something into a file. If we talk about types of export, first is named export, by using which we could export multiple things at a time. Now, let's see a quick demonstration of it. We are inside a new folder within our VS Code and we have created a new HTML file. Now we will create two JavaScript files, exporting.js and importing.mjs. We have kept the extension of importing file as MJS because the file type should be module. Next I will show you how the exporting and importing works inside JavaScript. I am going to create an add function inside my exporting.js file with an export keyword, which means we are exporting the add function to use it in any of JavaScript file we need. This add function will take two parameters and will return its sum. Now inside the importing.mjs file we will import the function using import keyword. Look, we are able to use the add function while exporting it from different file. This exporting and importing function has a very huge scale application as it makes the code reusable. While using modules we make code organized and easy to debug. Let's try exporting some more functions simultaneously in order to make it more easy to understand. You can also use export keyword with arrow functions. Instead of exporting each functions one by one, you can also export all the functions and variable at once, similarly the way we import. The second type we have default export, using which we generally export a single function or variable, rather than exporting multiple functions. Let us see a quick demonstration. For using default export we use default keyword along with export keyword. The way of importing default export is slightly different as we don't use the default export inside the curly braces. This was all you need to know about modules in JavaScript. That's all for this video. I hope I was able to explain every part of the code and its execution in a simple and easy to understand way. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll make sure to reply. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such content. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.